Hi, this is Cliff from Versa. This short video on how does Versa segment between business units with secure SD-WAN. So for large enterprises, there may be a need to segment the network between business units. Example, there may be a large enterprise that has both a corporate network and an operational technology or OT network, and they want to keep these separate. So some popular use cases for Versa secure SD-WAN multi-tenancy. So state of may want to have different tenants for each state agency. A retail enterprise may want to have one tenant for point of sale and another tenant for everything else. In oil and gas, you might have one tenant for the corporate network and a separate tenant for operational technology. And if you were a service provider, you might have different tenants for each one of your customers. So Versa supports the concept of multi-tenancy. So in our solution, we can have different tenants, and each tenant gets their own role-based authentication, their own SD-WAN overlay, their own SD-WAN policy, their own security policy, and their own SD-WAN keys. So here we're showing on the left a Versa branch with both the corporate and operational technology tenancy. So once again, this is a single Versa device that can participate in both the corporate and OT SD-WAN overlay. We can extend the Versa SD-WAN overlay into multi-cloud. So on the left, we have a Versa virtual device up in Azure and up in AWS. And as we put a Versa virtual device into, example, Azure, we have participation in the corporate SD-WAN overlay, the operational technology SD-WAN overlay, and we can also apply the corporate and OT firewall policies in that environment. So this allows us to put a single node in Azure that gives us underlay routing, SD-WAN overlay, participate in all the enterprise overlay and tenancies, and is a firewall. And then in terms of management, we can extend the same multi-tenancy into the Versa headend. So Versa headend encompasses all the management and control elements of the Versa solution. It includes Versa controllers that are the control plane for the Versa solution, Versa Director, which is our management and orchestration tool, and Versa Analytics, which is our big data platform. So all these elements are fully aware of these various tenants on the network. So if we bring this all together, we could basically have a network that involves as many branches as you'd like, multi-cloud management, and we can extend this multi-tenancy across all elements of the infrastructure. So this allows us to deploy a very large network with potentially thousands of boxes, sophisticated management, orchestration, analytics, and slice this into multiple discrete tenants. This is as close to air-gapped as we can get running across common infrastructure. So Versa does support up to 512 tenants per Versa headend, up to 1,024 VRFs per tenant, and up to 5 levels of tenant hierarchy. So relative to the competition, Versa supports the most complete multi-tenancy of any vendor. This covers different SD-WAN overlays per tenant, different network policies per tenant, different security policies per tenant. This spans across management, analytics, controllers, hubs, and even extends multi-tenancy out to the branch device. Each tenant can even have their own unique SD-WAN topology. So tenant A could be hub and spoke, tenant B could be full mesh. So very comprehensive multi-tenancy. So I hope you find this useful. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.